Dears, today we are going to learn about vowel I letter words with object box. Okay? For this activity, we need object box and LMA box. Do you know what is LMA box? Do you know? Yes, this is our English letters. These are the vowel letters and these are the, what is this?
Zip.
Very good. Zib. Which is the first letter?
Z.
Yes.
Z.
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 And the second letter?
I.
Very good. I. And next letter?
P.
Very good. P. Zib.
Zip.
Zib.
Zip.
And the next one?
Six.
Very good. Six.
Six.
For this word, first letter is?
S.
Yes, six.
Six.
Yes.
Yes. I.
Yes, I. And
X.
X. Very good. X. And then next one?
Tin.
Very good. Tin. What is the first letter?
T.
T. T.
T. I.
I. And N. What is that?
P.
N.
N.
Tin. And the last one.
P.
Very good. Pin. What's the first letter?
P.
P. P. And the next letter?
I.
I. And next letter?
N.
N. Pin.
P.
Pin.
Pin.
Okay? Repeat.
Zip. Zip. Six. Six. Tin. Zip.
Pin.
Pin.
Zip.
Zip.
Six.
Six.
Tin.
Tin.
And pin.
Pin.
Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. That is today's class. Thank you.